Lesson 3. Adjective. Look at the underlined words in the following sentences. Sharmin is a pretty girl. Pretty is an adjective. Our library is big. Big is adjective. Do you have any digital camera? Digital is a word, adjective. The words pretty, big and digital describe a girl, library and a camera, respectively. Those words are called adjectives. Look at the underlined words in the following text. Mr. Tahmina Anwar is a skilled teacher. Skilled is an adjective. She is qualified. Qualified adjective. And she has a long teaching experience. Adjective. She has an excellent academic record as well. Adjective. She is a favorite teacher to her students as she is very caring. Adjective. Now say which words those adjectives describe are modified. My uncle is a skilled engineer, good engineer, who works in a big company as a chief engineer. He graduated in electric engineering from Wood. I also studied abroad for his higher qualification. Currently, he is in search of mega projects. A master's words the three entering an adjective to describe the effect that something has on your feelings or on the feelings of people in general. Look at the words in box below and use of some of them as adjective in your own sentence. Charming, amazing, boring, exciting, disappointing, encouraging, welcoming, surprising, shocking, alarming, embarrassing, confusing, depressing, exciting, living, tiring, drawing.